Coming to the 8th para. He had not gone far when he saw a huge bull coming towards him. As he drew nearer, Uttanka saw seated upon the bull a man so large that he drew back in fear. But the man called out Uttanka, "Drink this." And he held out a cup of some kind of liquid. Uttanka turned his head away, but the man said, "Drink Uttanka, it will help you on your way." Yes, as the Uttanka started his journey, he has not gone little far, a huge bull, a huge big animal coming towards him. Okay? And as it drew nearer to him, as it came nearest to him, he saw a huge big person sitting on that bull, riding the bull. Okay, now as he will come nearest to Uttanka, the bull man will come nearest to Uttanka, Uttanka will feel afraid and he will sit down, okay, on the ground. So what the bull man will do? He will give him a liquid. He will give him a liquid to drink to Uttanka. At first, Uttanka will refuse. He will not drink. But what the man will do? He will say that, "Drink it, Uttanka. It will help you on your way, on your journey." He will say. This happened with Uttanka. This was the first incident happened with the Uttanka. That a bull man gave him a drink. After drinking that liquid, Uttanka will start again his journey. Coming to the 9th para. At last he came to the palace of the king. He boldly went inside and did not stop to look about him till he saw the king himself seated upon the royal throne. "Sir," said Uttanka, bowing low, "I have come from the hermitage in the forest many miles from here. The mistress desires to wear the earrings of the queen on the feast day, and if I do not take them to her, I will lose favor in my teacher's eyes." Yes. What happens here? Uttanka will reach to the palace, king's palace. Okay, and he can't stop himself by seeing that the king is sitting on the throne. Okay, boldly went inside the palace and he entered into the room or the king throne. Okay, and there he will go and he will say, "Sir, I have came from the hermitage far miles away in the forest." Okay, so now mistress desired to wear the earrings of the queen. So she want to wear them on the festival day. So I need the earrings. If you don't give me the earrings, I will lose the favor. What is the meaning of favor? Willingness to be kind. I will lose the trust, favor which my master and mistress have kept on me. Okay. Teacher's eyes. 10th paragraph. The king smiled kindly upon the boy. "You must ask the queen," he said. "Go to her chamber and ask her." What did the king say? Yes, king smiled. King was very generous and he smiled and said, "You must ask this thing to the queen and you should go to her chamber and ask her." 11th paragraph. Uttanka went to the queen's chamber, but he could not find her. He went back to the king and said, "Sir, I cannot find her." Yes, what happened? Uttanka's chamber. Uttanka went to the queen's chamber, but he couldn't find queen in her chamber. He searched everywhere. Okay, there was no queen. So he will come back to the king and said, "Sir, I found the queen everywhere in her chamber, but she didn't found me anywhere." Okay. So in 12th paragraph, the king looked at Uttanka as he stood there with the dust of travel upon his clothes and his hands and feet dirty and stained. "Is that how you would go to the queen?" he said. Yes. What the king will do? He will see the Uttanka from top to bottom. the boy will be completely filled with dust as he traveled so many miles. Okay, he was completely tired. His clothes were completely tattered. Okay, so at this point, what the king will say? Do you want to meet the queen in this attire? So Uttanka will feel ashamed. See here, in the 13th paragraph, Uttanka felt ashamed, washed and cleaned her. He again went in search of the queen. This time he found her. Yes, what happened? Uttanka felt ashamed of himself, washed himself and cleaned himself with the water. He again went in search of the queen to the queen's chamber, and this time he found the queen. Okay. The queen held out her hand and Uttanka saw the earrings sparkling in her palm. You are good child, Uttanka, she said. I give you the earrings willing, but beware. These earrings have been long coveted by the serpent king. Do not lose them. Coveted in the sense, covet, desire eagerly to possess. Okay, desire eagerly to possess. What happens here when he reaches to the queen's chamber? This time, queen will meet Uttanka. Okay, and by seeing that, Uttanka will get the earrings. He will see the beautiful earrings in the palm of the queen. I give you the earrings willingly, but beware the serpent king. Serpent in the sense snake here. Okay, the serpent king wants to covet the earrings. He is waiting to covet the earrings. Covet means to steal them. Okay, coming to the 15th paragraph. Uttanka thanked her and started for home. Dusk was falling and he was tired. Leaning against the trunk of the tree, he rested, placing the earrings on the ground beside him. Suddenly he saw a hand snatch the earrings and disappear. He sprang to his feet and turned around in time to see a man dressed in rags running through the forest. Uttanka ran after him as fast as he could. When suddenly Uttanka ran after him as fast he could, when suddenly the man changed into the snake, which ran into a hole in the ground. Yes. What happens here? In the 15th paragraph, Uttanka got the earrings. Uttanka got all the earrings which his mistress or mother wanted to wear. But he has a warning with him also. What was the warning? That the serpent king wants to steal the earrings. Okay. So what Uttanka will do? He will thank the queen and he will take the earrings and he will start his journey from palace to the home, to the hermitage. Okay. After the long and dusty travel, he was tired and he thought of taking rest under the tree, under the trunk of the tree. So what happened here? Uttanka started to take rest. He kept the earrings beside and he took rest. He slept for a while. As it happens, he will suddenly feel a movement of snatching the earrings, taking the earrings, pulling the earrings. Okay? And as he turn up and see, there is a man who is ragged. Ragged means completely covered with some thick clothes, and that man is running by taking the earrings. Uttanka will follow him. Uttanka will follow the person. Okay. As Uttanka will follow the person, after some time following or chasing that man will convert himself into the snake and enter into the hole of the earth. Okay, he will enter into the hole of the earth, means the snake's hole, the mud house which will be prepared by the snakes. Right? This will be all about when Uttanka will get the earrings, the wonderful and beautiful earrings. Okay. So the third part, how the Uttanka will get back the earrings, we will see in the next part, my dear children.